I wish
We're still raging.
where once you touch the water, you teleport back like that butter parkour server.
Yeah.
Instead of, oh, you have to swim. Oh no! Instead of like, oh,
We're still raging. Still raging.
wait, are you using a texture pack?
Yeah.
I know it might help. I'm gonna change the texture pack.
What?
Back to the default texture pack.
Why?
Oh.
Nay.
Wow.
I'm using Sphex. Go. No. After this one, do some survival games. Bill, want to do some survival games?
I don't know how to go in. Yeah, I gotta go by.
Okay. Still going here. Still treading on. So we get. I'm realizing this video is gonna be too short. So yeah. Super focused, king of game style. Dun, dun. Super focused style uppercut. I'm just kidding. Oh god. Jump. What? What was that? More teleporting. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be bad. Super focused king of game style. No. Yes, yes, no, no, yes, yes. Get it to my way. Get it to my way. Get it to my way. Get you suck. Get it to my way. Gosh, this is good. Let's do this. Okay, let's get some more health. Watch me fail. Do this. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hope to see you later. And next time.